And then there is an attachment of utshwala as well to things, of abantu bafuni after tears bazoyokwazi uyothetha ngesi singcwabo basandosi-athenda. There is a fashion aspect as well, uba unxibe ntoni, unxibe njani, bazawuthini abantu xa unxibe ngolo hlobo, unxibe ooshoti okanye unxibe noba yintoni impahla okwaziyo uzinxiba ofikelela kuzo. How did we get here as a culture? And le nto ndiyicinga because yonke mani into esiyenzayo has a lot to do with everything else besides what's actually going on. Umngcwabo, that's why ndibuza, when do we grieve? Umngcwabo in the black context of South Africa is about the logistical aspect and also the eventing aspect. Kugcwele kanjani, kukho abantu abangakanani, ngobani izithethi, kutyiwe ntoni, ibhokisi ibinjani, abantu bebenxibe njani, and also drama, if there was any family drama. It's barely about what's actually going on. How did we get here? How the hell did we get here?